Well, hello. I decided to make me some mac and cheese today. Just got all these done. Yeah, this is going to be pretty good. Now, I need to find my cheese over here to mix that in. Well, thick old cheese. Cheesy Weezy. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. Whew. That's the way I like it. Now let's see if I can scrape this out. All I did with this was use almost 2 cups of half and half and 2 or 3 bags of that shredded cheese and 1 block of 8-ounce block of seriously sharp cheddar. All right, I think I got that done. Could believe my back gets sore standing up here for a while. Give myself a break. Take that out for a second. I think I'll mix in using this spoon because I want to. Mix them all in there. So we get them all the way through. Now I'm going to bake this in the oven for, I don't know, 45 minutes or so. Get it nice and toasty on the top. Make sure to get that cheese spread all around. You don't want the cheese all in one spot. Alright. Got that in there. Now for my innards. Told you this was going to be a little bit different mac and cheese. I guess I did. I don't know if I didn't, but here I have some Vermont venison. Yep, that's right. And some good old Vermont bacon. We're going to mix that in with it. Oh yeah. Won't that be just as much yummy in your tummy? Oh. Of course, if you're vegetarian, use broccoli and spinach or whatever you've got for your... I wouldn't use that tofu or whatever it is. It tastes like cardboard. Alright. And for seasoning, I put in, what did I put in? Cayenne, red pepper, regular pepper, and some little bit of salt. Now let's mix this all in. Yeah. I'm going to bake this at 375. That's good, I think. Now, if I got some, I don't know if I got any. We'll look and see what I'm looking for if I find it. If I don't find it, we won't put it in. That's about as simple as I can say. Yeah, I found it. Yep. Actually here we have smoky bacon and cheddar cheese all mixed together here. See what you can see the bacon right in with it. We're going to use that for our topping. Top her off. Got a whole package of this to go on there. I love different cheeses. And I like lots of cheese. Cheesier the better. Yeah, trying to use up the whole package, which I'll probably end up doing. There. There. One in there. Fit one there. One there. That's three. Let's see. Bake 375 degrees. How do I even see that? It's going to be good. Oh yes. Take my word for it. Boy, it's snowing like hell today. I went up and got groceries this morning, and whew, it was terrible out. Now I gotta redo the driveway all over again. Welcome to Vermont. Yeah. Need one more piece. Yeah, got her all covered up and slap her in the oven. And I'll show you what she looks like when she's all done. So, what do you think? Mac and cheese with bacon and Vermont venison. Mm. Gonna be a nice lunch today. Well, thank you all for coming by.